Here's a quick look at the save options available for your macro. You can only open a macro by right-clicking a node and choosing macro, or by opening the macro editor to edit an existing macro. If your Fusion node graph is empty, drag any node into the workspace, right-click it, select macro, then choose to either open an existing macro or create a new one. Inside the macro editor, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Here you'll find the available options. Open, Save and Save As work exactly as you would expect. Show in Folder remains disabled until you've saved the macro at least once. Save to Edit Template makes your macro available in DaVinci Resolve's Edit page, Effects Library. You can save it as a title, generator, effect, or transition. We won't cover those template types in detail here, but this image does show you exactly where each one will be saved. If you want to give your macro a custom thumbnail, it must be a PNG image measuring 104 pixels wide by 58 pixels high. When you're finished, click the X in the top left corner to close the macro editor.